My mind goes blank when I start speaking in English. Does this happens to you? Yes, it happens. It happens to every learner, not only with you. So what is the problem? Hi everyone, this is Anita and welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about a very common problem, especially for beginners. My mind goes blank when I start speaking in English. But don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I will share why it happens and how we can solve this problem. My dear friends, let me tell you, if you are thinking, I don't have enough vocabulary and I'm not good at grammar, and that is the reason I struggle to speak in English, then you are mistaken. The problem is not your vocabulary, not your grammar. The real problem is lack of practice and hesitation. And because of these two reasons, our minds suddenly go blank when we start speaking in English in front of others. You know, why do we hesitate when we try to speak in English? Does this happen with our mother tongue too? No, it doesn't. Why? Because we are so used to of this language. We are so used to in our mother tongue. But when it comes to English, our minds suddenly go blank. Words do not come to our minds. Why? Because we are not used to of this language. And that is the reason we struggle to express our thoughts in English. See, English is not our mother tongue. It is our second language. We are not as comfortable with it. That is why we need enough practice. Then only we can get used to of this language and our hesitation will fade away. So, if you practice enough, you will never feel underconfident while speaking in English. So whenever you get a chance to speak in English, don't hold yourself back. Come out from your comfort zone and speak. That is the only solution to overcoming our hesitation. And don't think about others, whether they will make fun of you or laugh at you. Don't think about them. And simplify your thoughts. Do not try to make overly complex sentence. Just keep it simple and try to express yourself. That is the only solution to overcoming your hesitation. And second thing I would like to say, if you are unable to speak in English properly, suppose you have to speak in English in front of others or maybe in a group, don't give up. Instead of giving up, switch to English language. English language, it is a combination of Hindi and English. So, when you will speak in English, you will not give up. You will persevere through the whole process and it will boost your confidence. And once you will get confident, you will automatically get rid of hesitation. So do practice. Without practice, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. You know, without putting any effort, miracle is not going to happen. So do practice. You can practice with mirror. Stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. You can talk about anything around you. You can record yourself speaking on any topic and listen your recording and identify your mistakes and correct them. By practicing every day, you will feel more confident. And also think about the benefits of learning this language. Just imagine the moment when you will be able to express your thoughts in English. How it will help you to communicate with people, whether in your daily life or at your workplace. It will remind you to do practice more. So these are some reasons why our minds go blank while speaking in English. I hope you will like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care, and keep learning, keep practicing.